Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you play Spotify playlists on Discord very easily. So let's go ahead and first open Discord, and we're gonna add the music or the playlist to this server. Let's see how. First, go to your browser and search for top.gg and go to this website top.gg. You find many Discord bots here. Let's just search for Music Man, no space, just like that. It should be this one with the 4.7 stars for the minute, and then as you can see it has this icon, so I go ahead and open it just like that. Now I can go ahead and scroll down and read through the details and the commands and all that. It has some pretty easy controls, just /play, /pause, /stop and whatever, and you can see more commands later. Anyways, from here go ahead and tap on invite. It will load up on Discord, and then from here choose the server you want to basically play Spotify playlists in, and then tap on continue. It's gonna take a couple of seconds. It might ask you to verify that you're a human and complete a captcha sometimes. Anyways, if it does, just complete it. It should be an easy one, and then once you're done it's gonna give you this message. So if it gives you this message, you're good to go from here. So we're done from the top.gg website. You go to your Discord now, and you should find Music Man added right here, and it should be online because it's online 24/7 basically. And you can even play individual songs. You need to first start a voice chat, and then you can tap on /play and then space, and then write your favorite artist or a song. So I'm just gonna use Justin Bieber or something, so let me write Justin Bieber just like that, and then tap on enter. If you just type in the name of the artist, a random song of theirs will start playing. As you can see, the song Baby is playing right now. If you want it to stop, you just tap on /stop or /pause. And I'm doing that right now, just like that, as you can see, guys. So let me show you how can you play a whole Spotify playlist. So you go to Google and log into your Spotify account or whatever. I'm just going to use a random playlist. So you go to your playlist on Spotify, tap the three dots right here, and then tap on share, and then tap on copy link. So go get your favorite playlist on Spotify, copy the link, and then go ahead and right here type /play space, and then paste the link to that playlist, and then tap on enter. It's gonna take a few seconds. Of course, make sure the voice chat is on Discord, and just like that it should start playing. As you can see, it's still playing the previous song. You need to go ahead and stop it as a whole, and then it's gonna start playing your playlist. As you can see, guys, song after song. If you don't agree or you don't like the cue, you can go ahead and type / and then shuffle this time, and then tap on enter, and it's gonna shuffle the queue when you get random songs from their playlist. And of course you can add different playlists if you get different links to different playlists, of course. And that's how you do it, guys. As you can see, guys, you can even mute if you want to /mute. You can go back to top.gg and then go to Music Man again. Make sure you read the details there for more commands just like that. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.